Yo, what up, YouTube? This is Justin with 801RC. We're just driving on our way to the sand dunes today. Well, it's not actually the sand dunes. It's Delta, Utah. A little place near the sand dunes called Cherry Creek. We're gonna go rip the RC cars. I got the XRT, got a couple Fireteams, got my gas in the back. Yeah, we're gonna go have some fun. Should be pretty dope. Let's see where we're at. Lots of snow out here, but there should be some sand. Hopefully we'll get to the sand. Anyway, should be pretty dope. Peace. All right, we made it to our destination, Cherry Creek. We got the RCs loaded up. Got a couple, 3 Fireteams there. We got xmaxx, XRT, another xmaxx, and then there's another XRT on the ground that somebody's gonna hold. Anyways, yeah, we're ready to go. We're gonna maybe go towards the sand and see what kind of jumps we can find. Here we are, XRT on the lap, mobbing in the razor. Ah, shit, sorry boys. It's all good. We're doing good. You good? XRT, Fireteam, xmaxx, Fireteam. Ooh.
Look at the bulkhead.
Dang. That's sick.
Basherqueen.
Basherqueen all the way, baby.
And
that is way sick.
This one's wide. Oh, it's gonna be extra wide with paddles.
Hobby wing.
Alright, who's gonna be first?
Should we pop the top off my XRT real quick? Oh no! There's my burned up XRT that's been recovered here. The gears are still a little smoky. So is the motor.
It'll wear off.
The motor's still got a little soot. It'll wear off. But got a new chassis in there. It actually wasn't too much. Had to put a new servo in it. New ESC obviously. And that's it basically. Got some paddle tires on there.
He's out.
Sick. Don't lose it. I can hear it. I can hear it still. I can see the rooster. That's funny. Oh, sick. You better run over there. Sick.
Hey,
nice. Nuh-uh.
I'm just kidding. Deb suck.
Colton's batteries are gonna be dead here soon.
Yeah, I record it.
Oh no! Oh!
Oh!
You were watching Ben, huh?
What?
Dude, hit this right here. Shit. Oh, power cut. Sorry, bro. Building some jumps, baby. Fireteam in the snow, in the sand.
Why are you standing in front of jump?
Yeah. That was nice.
Alright, xmaxx. No.
Right as I hit it. Hold on. Yes.
We didn't hit the jump, but
It slammed right into the side.
Should I mess you up?
All right. Lipo cutting. That was sick.
That's huge. Too steep.
That was great. This is completely stock?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see how long he goes.
Alright. Yo, what up, YouTube? Just on the way back from Cherry Creek. We got some sweet footage. We had the XRT going for a minute. We had the fire team going for a minute. I had both my fire teams going for a minute. I've got two fire teams, one with 6S outcast tires on it, and then the other one that's super built, and it's got paddle tires on it. I run the same body on both of them, but you'll see anyways. We got some pretty sweet footage. We did run into some lipo cut issues. It's just so cold out here, guys. Utah, it's like 32 degrees. It's been like 32 degrees, I think, was the high today. So yeah, it's pretty cold, but nevertheless, we went dirt biking and we went and drove some RC cars. It was fun. It's good times. But yeah, man, some of this stuff just does not work super good in the cold, you know? Anyway, well, hope you guys enjoy the footage. Peace out.